Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a jumper slash sweater for your plushie characters. So it's a pretty easy method to do. So I've got this white minky fabric. It's really soft, really nice to work with, good to use for plushies. I get that from usually Taobao or AliExpress, they're pretty much the same thing. I've folded over the fabric, so I find that this is a much nicer way to cut out pieces, because it means if you've got a piece the same, you can just put the pattern down on the folded piece and you'll get two, or if you fold it over again you get more, etc. I'm just using my classic sort of base bit of the t-shirt, jacket. I use it in like pretty much most clothing items. It's just like sort of the torso bit of the clothing. I'm just pinning that down onto the fabric, and I will cut out a piece for that because it's folded over. I'll get two pieces and that's all you need. So same with the sleeves. I haven't folded it anymore because I don't like cutting it when it's too thick, so instead you only have to cut out two of the arm pieces. So here you have all your patterns laid out. So you take the little arm pieces, there's a curve along the end, and you just pin that soft side down to one of the torso pieces. Do that for all of the arms, and then you just sew that together on the sewing machine. Because it's easier to do it while the pieces are separate, I fold up the bottom pieces of the bottom of the torso piece and the bottom of the arm pieces, and then I sew that line on the machine so that it creates a hem. It just makes your clothing look neater, it looks more professional. I like doing this, you don't have to do it. While you're at it, you can cut a curve in one of the torso pieces to show the colour. So now that once you've hemmed all of the areas, you just pin the two pieces soft sides together and sew along the tops of the arms and the underneaths of the arms and the sides of the torso pieces. Okay, so now that's all sewn together, you can just turn that piece inside out and then you can just dress it straight onto your plushie. This footage is blurry. My camera has a really funny thing where you zoom in, it loses focus sometimes and it's hard to tell on the small screen. It's just basically me doing the run-in stitch along the top part of the collar where I've just folded over the little edge so that it's not a raw edge, it won't fray or anything. So just go around and just do the run-in stitch for that, and then you will have a nice plushy jumper slash sweater. Alright, so yeah, that is how to make a jumper sweater for your plushies. I hope you found this video helpful. It's quite a quick one of my more simple items of clothing using the same patterns that you've seen in my videos before. So thank you very much for watching. You can check out any behind the scenes stuff on my Instagram and my Facebook page, and I will see you guys in the next video.